Nestled among the soaring peaks of Azad Jammu and Kashmir and the rugged landscapes of Gilgit-Baltistan, like communities scattered across vast, remote distances. For decades, connectivity was limited. Communication, a struggle, and access to modern digital services was almost out of reach. Since its creation in 1976, Special Communications Organization has endeavored to bring telecommunications and IT services to resilient people of GB and AJK, overcoming harsh terrain and immense challenges. Following the last major upgrade in 2016, SCO clientele witnessed remarkable growth. Subscribers increased fourfold, and data usage rose 11 times. Yet budgetary constraints and non-approval of projects created capacity issues and the technological gap. To address this, SCO conceived critical initiatives and eventually was able to secure funding after intense efforts in financial year 24-25. These projects are now in different stages of execution, will deliver enhanced quality of service and a futuristic network capable of meeting regional needs for the next 6 to 8 years. Foremost is the Mobile Communication Upgrade Project. 47 new 4G towers are being installed at unserved and remote areas of AJK and GB. The first new installations since 2019. Moreover, 87 existing towers are also being upgraded to improve quality of services in major cities. For the first time, 5G services will reach Gilgit, Hunza, Skardu, Muzaffarabad, and Mirpur. Voice technologies like VoLTE and VO Wi-Fi will also be introduced, with completion planned for December 2026. The mobile communication backbone installed in 2016 is being upgraded with latest hardware. Subscribers would experience better call connectivity and improved voice quality. Channel congestion issues faced at times by subscribers would be eliminated. Simultaneously, SCO's Internet Core Network installed in 2016 is undergoing a complete overhaul. Capacity will rise 6-fold from 100G to 600G, raising broadband user capacity from 66K to 240K. The project will complete by March 2026. SCO is also replacing legacy billing equipment with a modern, convergent platform by December 2025. This would ensure flexible service offerings, prevent failures, safeguard revenue streams, strengthening customer trust through transparent billing. Another major project is the migration of biometric verification system to a more efficient and stable system by March 2026, ensuring swift while fully complying with enhanced regulatory standards. Moreover, old call center established in 2017 was outdated and was unable to serve the customers up to the mark. Since modern IP-based call centers was planned in July 2025, this fully automated facility accelerates complaint registration, tracking, and resolution. It ensures faster responses, great transparency, and improved customer satisfaction across SCO services. Recognizing the challenges of power supply in mountainous regions, SCO has deployed hybrid solar systems at 156 BTS sites. With solar panels, gensets, lithium-ion batteries, and remote monitoring, uninterrupted electricity is now a reality. Additionally, lithium-ion UPS batteries have also been provided for majority of remaining BTS sites. Another significant achievement is migration of SCO's state-of-the-art satellite hub to Pakistan's own recently launched satellite, PakSat MM1. Shift strengthens communication security and ensures a more reliable national infrastructure. Furthermore, legacy DNS systems deployed in 2020 has been upgraded with the cost-efficient solution with advanced features and capacity to meet future needs of customers. Through these initiatives, SCO is not just improving telecom services, it is bridging the digital divide, opening new doors of opportunity and building a connected and sustainable future. Special Communications Organization, connecting the unconnected.